short form video ads are here to stay, and they can be powerful allies in your long form marketing strategy. Take our Dirty Dough campaign, for example. Instead of creating one massive 5-minute hero video, we created 5 1-minute interconnected episodes using the same to be continued format of the serials of the 60s and 70s. Think of the old television serials like Batman and Robin, Star Trek, and Mission Impossible. Each episode ended with a cliffhanger, leaving viewers hungry for more adventures. Here's the beauty of short form content. First off, it grabs the attention of short attention spans. Second off, serial storytelling is back, baby. Just like in the 60s, we can build anticipation with cliffhangers, keeping the audience engaged and eager for the next episode. And finally, this format allows us to quickly meet the characters, explore the story, and most importantly, have a great first impression of the product. Short videos allow us to develop a narrative around the product, making it more relatable and memorable over time. The takeaway? You don't have to ditch long-form storytelling at all. We just have to get more creative and break it down into bite-sized, engaging episodes using short-form video ad. Next time you're concepting a new ad, think ongoing character development, whole series arcs, and of course, fantastic cliffhangers. We can do this for you here at Buck Wild Media, but in the meantime, follow for more tips.